Hi guys, so today I'll be teaching you how to get Microsoft Office from the home user program. So first step, you need to go to the website, then followed by you entering your organization email address. Mind you, this is not available to everyone, so this is subject to availability. Just thought I'd put a disclaimer out there. Click on Get Started, and if your company is eligible, you should be getting an email with a link that will take you to the Home User Program website in order for you to be able to download your cheap Microsoft Office package. So here's an example. I got an email. Click on the link. That takes me to the website, and there's a few options you can select from getting subscription. You can also get like a one-off or one-time download. So I'm getting one for my Mac. So just scrolling up to show you guys really like some more options, then I'll go back down to download the one I need for my Mac. So I click the Office Home and Business 2019 for Mac. You can see this is a savings of 94%. I'll be getting it for $14.99. Click on Buy Now. I think I already had one in my cart, so yeah. Basically, it's very simple. You click on Checkout, enter your payment details. Okay, asked me to sign in there, but yeah, the next step will be entering your payment details. And after that is done, you'll be receiving a link for your download. And yeah, so that's how to get this for really cheap. Thanks for watching. Bye.